Hello there, welcome back to the channel. So is your nothing phone is stuck on nothing logo or boot looping? Well, if you ask what do I do if my phone is slow to boot after a software update? Or if you found your nothing phone is literally getting stuck and keep booting and not turning on, then don't worry, because here in today's video I'll go ahead and give you a couple of ways to solve your problem. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is just go ahead and press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously unless you see your nothing logo appears once again on your screen. Now once you come to the screen right here just like that, you don't have to do anything, just simply press that power button once and now your phone is gonna get restarted. Alright guys, now let's say you did that process but didn't work for you. What else can you do? In the next process, all you need to do, you need to press the volume up button and the power button simultaneously unless you see this logo appears on your device. Once you get this logo on your phone, just simply press the power button and the volume up button once and here you're gonna see this option is gonna appear. Alright guys, now once you come over here, just go ahead and choose the first option called the Reboot System Now. Now, if you're just going to go ahead and press your power button there, then your phone is going to restart and your problem is going to be solved. However though, if you just press the power button and if you see it seems like it doesn't work, still you're having problem with your boot looping or nothing logo, then lastly, all you got to do is just go ahead and scroll down here and choose this option called Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Now, before you go ahead and do this process, make sure about one thing, that's doing this process will delete and erase every single data and file that you have saved on your phone. And if you agree to the terms and conditions here, just go ahead and press your power button, come down here and choose this option called Factory Data. Now just press your power button one more time and now your device is going to turn up and now your device problem is going to be solved as well. Now still if you have a problem, then lastly all you got to do guys, you got to just talk with the nothing support for the further help. So this is the process that you guys can do to solve your boot looping or stuck on nothing logo problem on your nothing phone. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.